All right, so thanks for tuning in George's Car Vids. This is not a video I'm really wanting to make. I'm gonna be back with the '07 Camry, and you've seen the title. They don't do well off-road. So the kid, I guess, overcorrected on a ramp and took her through, basically through the infield, off the interstate, and almost back onto the road. But she slid really good. This could be the end. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pictures up here real quick of what it was before. I just had it towed home, so we'll take a look at it. All right, well, like I said, they don't till well. As you can see, there is the valence hanging off the front. You can see all the mud. The hood is misaligned. I don't know if I can get in and open it from here. If I get my hand in there. I don't think I quite have it popped, but there's mud all on the grill. You see in the pictures the bumper was off. I mean, there's mud everywhere. The center fender liner is toast. You can see where the bolts are pulled out. It started overheat. It's belching coolant, so I'm pretty sure he got the core support. I did get the bumper back on. There's mud all up underneath there. Had to pop the bumper. You can see where it's cracked here, it's stressed here, it's busted all the way across. I got it pinned back up good enough to drive, but when it lost coolant, we went ahead and stopped. So let me get the hood popped, and we'll try to assess a little bit more of the damage. All right, so I got the hood open. The first thing I noticed, and you can probably get you down there to see, the radiator obviously has been moved. Looks like got a little bit of movement on the upper support here on both sides. I could probably loosen that up and realign it. It doesn't look like or appear that these are bent or tweaked. There is an excessive amount of mud up in the front end. This bumper will have to come off. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pry. I'm going to try to pry out from underneath and get it up in the driveway and see if I can spray some of this mud out. Maybe pull this, maybe see if I can get this radiator pulled out and see if maybe I can get it to hold some coolant. I'm not going to hold my breath, but we're going to give it a shot. All right, well, that's going to be it. I got, as you can see, a lot of mud out from underneath, but I'm pretty sure it got hot and locked up. So get in it. Pretty sure she is cooked. Well, and just like that, I'm on the hunt for the kid a new car. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank God nobody got hurt. He took a little bit of a wild ride, but he's going to survive it. Again, thanks for tuning in. This is going to be it. in the series on the '07 Camry. Thanks for tuning in. I'll have another one together soon. We'll see you then.